With such a variety of streaming devices on the market, choosing the right one can be a real problem to say the least. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best streaming devices on the market this year based on price, performance, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which streaming device will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Google Chromecast Ultra. The Google Chromecast Ultra allows you to stream video on YouTube, watch live TV, and view photos from your mobile devices. This device makes it easy to play, pause, and control the volume of the video content you watch. You can also use this streaming device to access countless apps like Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, and Spotify. It automatically optimizes all content so you get the best possible picture quality every single time. This device also works with Google Home, so you can stream and control your content with voice commands alone. If you have a Dolby Vision or HDR10 enabled TV, you'll be able to enjoy deep darks and light whites for an even more vibrant overall picture. This device measures 2.3 by 0.5 by 2.3 inches and weighs just 1.6 ounces, so it doesn't take up much space. The built-in Ethernet adapter allows you to establish a wired internet connection for even faster data transfer speeds. It uses an HDMI cord to plug right into the back of your TV, and a micro USB connector that goes into a wall adapter. The Google Home app will allow you to control this streaming device from your smartphone or tablet for maximum convenience. Number 4 on our list is Apple TV 4K. The Apple TV 4K features an impressive dynamic range with Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. This gives you a very high quality picture that will make your viewing experience more enjoyable on the whole. This streaming device also supports Digital Plus 7.1 surround sound for immersive 360-degree audio. You can expect a crisp and clean sound without the need for any soundbars or external speakers. The Siri remote gives you the ability to perform voice searches completely hands-free. You can use this device with HD and UHD TVs with HDMI. It is also compatible with Bluetooth keyboards, which makes searching for apps and content much easier. You'll have access to thousands of different apps for streaming all sorts of media, including 4K movies and an endless supply of music. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity also allows you to transform your smartphone or tablet into an Apple TV remote. This gives you a fast and convenient way to modify settings and search for the music or video content you want. It makes signing in very easy with saved passwords, which are always kept secure. The Gigabit Ethernet always ensures a fast internet connection for the best possible performance at all times. Number 3 on our list is Fire TV Stick. The Fire TV Stick gives you a quick and easy way to get instant access to Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and thousands of apps and games. You can also use this device to browse Reddit, post on Facebook, and watch videos on YouTube. This streaming device's plug-and-play design means that setup is incredibly fast and simple. All you have to do is simply plug it into your TV. The quad-core processor and 1 GB of memory in this device gives you fast and efficient performance. There is also 8 GB of storage space for your convenience. There are also a number of games that you will have access to, and you can use the included remote as a controller for playing them. This device also lets you listen to millions of different songs through Vivo, TuneIn, and other streaming services. When you buy this device, you will also get a remote control with a very simple minimalist design that is easy to use. It measures 1.6 by 4.7 inches, making it nice and small so it fits in the palm of your hand. The HDMI extender cable will provide you with a long enough reach to accommodate your needs no matter what. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is NVIDIA Shield TV, our choice for the best gaming streaming device. The NVIDIA Shield TV is 4K HDR compatible, so you can get a perfect picture for your viewing pleasure. This device's Dolby Atmos and DOTS-X surround sound pass-through provides you with immersive audio as well. The GeForce Now Beta access allows you to turn your Shield TV into a powerful gaming rig in just seconds. You can use it to play games like Fortnite and other modern titles with smooth visual performance. You can also access thousands of apps for streaming movies, TV shows, music, and of course, gaming. It lets you view Google Photos and search for entertainment using simple voice commands due to the built-in Google Assistant feature. One of the unique things about this streaming device is that it can double as a Plex media server for mounted network hard drives and local USB storage. You will be able to store your personal media files for fast access. The Kodi Media Center software allows you to link all different types of smart home devices together for convenient integration. You will be able to stream games from a network PC or NVIDIA's own GeForce Now cloud service, which offers a ton of great titles. Number 1 on our list is Roku Premiere Plus. The Roku Premiere Plus works great with all HD and Ultra HD 4K TVs. It features a powerful quad-core processor for quick and smooth performance that you'll be sure to appreciate. The 802.11ac dual-band wireless technology gives you a fast and stable internet connection at all times. You can view your favorite video content in 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second with 4 times the resolution of 1080p. This gives you a crisp and brilliant picture that is impressively lifelike. The vibrant HDR displaying covers a huge range of colors that are represented as accurately as possible. With this device, you will have access to over 350,000 different movies and TV episodes, over 3,500 plus paid or free channels. You also have the option of using headphones for private listening so you don't disturb anyone else in the room. The remote control that comes with this device gives you a simple design with dedicated buttons for Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming services. This makes accessing your favorite content easier than ever. You will also get an HDMI cable that is plenty long to match your needs. Setting up this device is a very quick and easy process with no complicated steps required. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.